the 2014 Ford Focus. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback just recently passed the 60,000-mile mark. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, and a split-folding rear seat. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.